Are you tired of watching videos about making money online that never explain how to actually start? In this video, I'll show you 5 real ways to make money online in 2025, with simple step-by-step explanations that anyone can follow even if you're just getting started. These are the 5 methods we will talk about today: freelancing, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, print on demand. Freelancing means offering your services to people or businesses online. You can get paid for writing, graphic design, video editing, translating, or even basic tasks like data entry. How to start? First, go to websites like Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. We explain every website. Clearly hit subscribe to stay updated. Create a profile that shows your skills, a profile picture, and a short description. Third, offer simple services like, I will write 500 words for your blog, or I will edit your video. Example: a beginner named Sarah joined Fiverr and offered to write product descriptions. In her first month, she earned $300 by doing just 5 jobs. Tip: if you have no experience, offer your service at a low price to get your first few clients and build your rating. Selling digital products. Digital products are items you can create once and sell over and over online. Examples include ebooks, planners, resume templates, or online courses. How to start? First, use Canva to design something simple, like a planner or checklist. Second, upload it to websites like Etsy.com or Gumroad.com. We explain every website. Clearly hit subscribe to stay updated. Third, set a price and share your product on social media or Pinterest. Example: one user created a daily planner using Canva and uploaded it to Etsy. After a week, she made her first $20. Now she earns over $200 a month. Tip: you don't need to be a designer. Canva offers free templates you can easily customize. Affiliate marketing means promoting products from other companies and earning money every time someone buys using your link. How to start? First, sign up for an affiliate program like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. We explain every website. Clearly hit subscribe to stay updated. Second, pick a product to promote, like a book, headphones, or a fitness program. Share your unique link on a blog, in YouTube video description, or on Instagram. Example: a beginner started a YouTube channel about tech gadgets. He reviewed cheap earbuds and added his Amazon link. He got paid. Even people bought other stuff too. Tip: always recommend products you trust or use, and be honest in your reviews. People will buy from you more often. YouTube automation. You can make money from YouTube even if you don't want to show your face or record your voice. This is called YouTube automation or faceless YouTube. How to start? First, pick a topic like motivation, scary stories, finance tips, or top 10 lists. Second, write a script. You can use ChatGPT for help. Third, use stock videos and AI voices like Pictory or 11 Laps to create your video. We explain every website. Clearly hit subscribe to stay updated. Upload to YouTube and enable monetization once you qualify. Example: a channel that posts short motivational videos with quotes and music reached 100,000 subscribes in 3 months and now earns ad revenue daily. Tip: use free stock video websites like Pexels or Pixabay to save money. We explain every website. Clearly hit subscribe to stay updated. Print on demand means creating custom designs for t-shirt, mugs, or phone cases. When someone buys your product, the company prints and ship it. You don't handle inventory. How to start? First, go to redbubble.com, teespring.com, or Merch by Amazon. We explain every website. Clearly hit subscribe to stay updated. Second, create a free account. Third, use Canva to design something funny, motivational, or trendy. Upload your design to a t-shirt or mug. When someone buys, you earn a commission. Example: one student uploaded 20 funny cat t-shirt designs to Redbubble. Within a month, she started earning $50 to $100 per month passively. Tip: focus on trending topics and use keywords in your titles to help people find your product. Reminder: start with just one method. Give it 30 days of consistent effort and track your results. Success comes from focus and patience. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe and tell me in comments, which method will you try first?